How to create Taobao account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up your web browser, then tap on the search bar. Now type Taobao and tap on search at the bottom right corner. Now open up the Taobao website. Now tap on the circle icon at the bottom right corner. Now under the red button, simply tap on the white button. Now select the country code. Now once you select the country, simply enter the phone number. Now tap on this button. Now this will send you a code. Then simply enter the code. Now select this toggle. Now tap on the continue button. Now this will create an account. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.